how to use Bybit application. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin, and today I'll guide you and explain you on how you can use Bybit. Now this is just going to be a quick and short guide, so I'll just show you on how you can perform spot trading, or from which option you can perform spot trading, and how you can withdraw your assets and such. So you can simply open up Bybit. You can get it on your Play Store. Then you can go ahead and log into your account. You can easily log in using your Google account. Now once there, now if you haven't completed verification, you'll get this pop-up where you can tap on verify now and you'll be able to verify. If you tap on Bybit earn here, you'll be able to see various options here on how you can earn and such. Similarly, on the rewards hub, you'll be able to see various rewards which you can get by completing your verification and certain trading and such, which you'll be able to use it as well, withdraw as well. Now you can see trading bot, copy trading and such. But if you want to perform trading on Bybit, then you will have to make sure that on home page on below here, if you scroll down, that you are on the spot trading option. So once on spot trading, you can select the particular asset that you wish to buy or sell. Once you tap on it, you can see here the chart and such, so you can simply tap on buy if you wish to buy and enter in details and buy. And similarly, if you want to sell, you can tap on sell and you can choose to sell. Now you'll have to enter your order value or quantity. If you place your order through other types such as limit order and conditional order, you'll need to enter your order price or trigger price. Similarly, in order to view your assets, you can head over to assets tab. So once on assets tab, you'll be able to deposit or withdraw or transfer, convert and such. So you can see markets tab as well. You can see derivatives as well. So this is the way that you can use the Bybit application. Hope this helped you to like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.